Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get the 456 frame on your TikTok profile. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, some people say that the 456 frame makes your video go viral. Well, I don't really know about that, but I'll show you how to get the frame. All right, so if you want to get the frame, all you have to do is open your TikTok app and log into your account. All right, so once you're logged into your account, from your home page you are going to see the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. All right, so after clicking on that, go ahead and search for 456 frame. All right, once you do that, here you're going to see users who has these who have these 456 frame on their profile. Right, for example, this person. So I'll visit this person's profile and you can see the person has the 456 frame on his profile. So what I have to do is to click and hold on this user's profile, and then I will see this option to get frame right here. So what I just have to do is to click on get frame, and then I have to play a Squid Game. Right, so what I just need to do now is to click on this become a player button, and I can choose to play now, right, or I can play later. Right, so anytime you want, you can just play this game and you're going to have it. So I'll click on the play now button, and I can click on the start game and start playing the game. All right, just like that. Right, so you don't really need to continue playing the game. So if you just head to your profile, your TikTok profile, you will see that you already have the 456 on your profile. So let me head to my TikTok profile and show you guys. So I'll do that right now. As you can see guys, I have the 456 frame on my profile. So that's how to do it guys. Hope you now know how to get the 456 frame on your TikTok profile. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.